Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a ragi bread. This recipe is super simple and easy and also quick to make. So let's get started. In a bowl, we are first going to sieve the ragi flour. Then we are going to sieve the all-purpose flour, that is maida. If you want, you can even use whole wheat flour, that is atta. Once you've sieved the flour, we are going to add yeast to the bowl and mix it well with the flour. The reason we are using this flour and not completely ragi in this recipe is that the maida or atta gives a little bit of softness to the bread. Once that is done, we will add water to it and knead the dough properly till all the flour comes together. Once that is done, we are going to take a baking tray or a bread tin and line it properly and add the bread dough into the bread tin. Now we are going to let the bread at least proof for 1 hour or 2 hours till the dough becomes double in size. Once that is done, we are going to dust a little bit of flour on top of the bread and bake at 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Once the bread is baked, make sure to let it cool for some time before slicing it. And yes, your bread is done. Enjoy it with a hot cup of tea or for your breakfast.